Hi there! Welcome to my channel. Today, we're exploring the cutting-edge world of cell and gene therapy, a revolutionary approach that's transforming how we treat genetic diseases. Cell and gene therapies are innovative treatments that modify a patient's genes or cells to fight disease. Unlike traditional medicines, these therapies offer the potential for long-lasting or even permanent cures. So why are cell and gene therapies so important? They're opening up new possibilities for treating previously incurable genetic disorders, and even certain cancers and other challenging diseases. These therapies work by either 1. Replacing a disease-causing gene with a healthy copy, 2. Inactivating a problematic gene, 3. Introducing a new gene to help fight a disease. Unlike traditional treatments that may require lifelong medication, cell and gene therapies offer the potential for long-term benefits from a single treatment. This could dramatically improve patients' quality of life and reduce healthcare costs over time. Several cell and gene therapies have already been approved by regulatory agencies. For example, 1. Luxturna for a rare form of inherited blindness. 2. Zolgensma for spinal muscular atrophy. 3. CAR T-cell therapies like Kymriah for certain blood cancers. The potential applications are vast. Researchers are exploring treatments for genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis and hemophilia, neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, various types of cancer, and even HIV. However, it's important to note that cell and gene therapies also face challenges. These include high development and production costs, complex manufacturing processes, potential long-term side effects that are still being studied, ethical considerations, especially regarding germline editing. Despite these challenges, the field is advancing rapidly. Ongoing research and technological improvements are making these therapies more effective, safer, and potentially more accessible. The most promising areas for future stem cell therapy advancements include neurological disorders. Stem cell therapies show potential for treating conditions like Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's, spinal cord injuries, and multiple sclerosis. Cardiovascular diseases. Stem cells could be used to regenerate heart tissue after heart attacks or to treat heart failure. Diabetes. Stem cells may be used to generate insulin-producing beta cells to treat type 1 diabetes. This could potentially eliminate the need for insulin injections. Orthopedic applications, using stem cells to regenerate cartilage, bone, and other musculoskeletal tissues. Organ regeneration. Advances in tissue engineering and 3D bioprinting using stem cells may eventually allow the creation of entire organs for transplantation. Autoimmune diseases. Stem cell therapies are being explored to reset the immune system in conditions like lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, and multiple sclerosis. Retinal diseases. Stem cell treatments for age-related macular degeneration and other eye disorders have shown early promise in clinical trials. Gene therapy combinations. Combining gene editing technologies like CRISPR with stem cells opens up new possibilities for treating genetic disorders. Personalized medicine. Induced pluripotent stem cells iPSCs derived from individual patients could be used to develop tailored treatments and model diseases. As we look to the future, cell and gene therapies promise to revolutionize medicine. This therapy offers hope for patients with previously untreatable conditions and paving the way for personalized medicine tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on groundbreaking technologies. If you want more information about cell and gene therapy, please visit the links below at the video description. There you can find valuable information about this high-tech that is revolutionizing treatment for genetic diseases. Till next video, be safe and God bless you.
Thank you for watching. Muito obrigado por assistir.